Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya wal mursaleen Nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, we are now in the blessed month of Sha'ban. Sha'ban, which is the 8th month in the Islamic calendar. In this month it is encouraged to fast a lot more, because the Prophet ﷺ used to fast a lot more in this month. Aisha radiallahu anha, she reports that the most beloved month to the Prophet ﷺ in which he would fast a lot more was the month of Sha'ban. So it shows that this month has a lot of virtues, and we should take ample opportunity to do those deeds which are beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us from those who do those deeds which are beloved to Him. هذا والله أعلم وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.